Hello, everyone. This is Mauricio speaking from the Accessible Currency team. I'm a Mexican male with brown skin and wearing glasses and a reddish t-shirt. Oscar is also part of the team.
Hello, this is Oscar Guerrero speaking. I am a Mexican male, brown skin, I have a mustache, and I'm wearing a blue t-shirt.
And we are going to present our final project. In the first place, I'll talk about the project's motivation and summary. We are developing an Android app to help blind and visual impairment users to recognize currency. This project provides an extra tool for these users to improve their interaction with currency in multiple languages. How? Well, the app is easy to interact with and ensures the use of portrait mode, which is a preference for BLB users. Also, the app is ad and payment free and identifies coins. Finally, the app offers multi-language support. Obstacles. So why don't we have this already? So we have a couple of options in the market, such as physical devices. Cards or IBL devices only recognize currency in good shape, and they are kind of pricey. They cost around $600. And some mobile apps are detecting currency using landscape mode, and it's a very hard experience to interact with. We found a very interesting example of, one of these applications. Cash Reader is the most popular application in Google Store, and it recognizes few currencies for the free version. For the US version, it only identifies $1, $2, and $5. The full version costs 24 USD. We found interesting comments from Google Play. I'm going to read a couple of them. This application is good, but its price is very high. The developer should reduce its price so that everyone can use this application. Due to the high price, I will give 1 star to the developer. Another comment, this should be free as blinds will use it. It doesn't recognize above 20 rupees in free version. Sometimes it says 10 in 20 rupees note, and it doesn't recognize coins. Next, Oscar will talk about the solution and implementation that we did in this project.
Hello, this is Oscar speaking. The implementation of the ML model based on image labeling was the best option for our case. Also, we were using Android tools to provide the support to TF-Lite models. At the same time, we were customizing our model in order to recognize only certain type of currency. And finally, we were using Android localization to support multi-language feature. The following video shows a demo with different aspects of the Accessible Currency app.
Hello, this is Oscar speaking. I am presenting Accessible Currency. Right now, I am in the home view of the app. It has an image with a bill and some coins. It also has a start button. From here, I'm going to open the settings menu.
Pop-up window. Accessible currency. Settings. Out of list.
Here in settings, we have flashlight, which allows the user to turn on and off the flash while scanning. We also have wallet, which is a feature that makes a sum of the current bill or coin to the previous ones. So by the end, the user is able to know the total amount of the currency scanned. We also have select the language, which is an option that allows the user to switch between languages. I'm gonna go ahead and select that option.
Select the language. Accessible currency. English in list.
Right now, we are supporting 4 languages. We have English as default, but we are also able to support Spanish, Portuguese, and French. After here, I'm going to display a demo of the current scanner.
Accessible currency. Touch the screen to identify the currency at the camera.
Right now, I am displaying the scanner view. I will go ahead and start scanning some bills. The first item is a $1 bill, front side, horizontal position.
This is a $1. Touch the screen to identify the currency at the camera.
My second item is a $5 bill, back side, horizontal position, and I will scan only half of it.
Loading. This is a $5 bill. Touch the screen to identify the currency at the camera.
My next item is a $20 bill.
Loading. This is a 20 US dollars bill. Touch the screen to identify the currency at the camera.
And my final item is a coin.
Loading. This is a 1 US cent. Touch the screen to identify the currency at the camera.
As we can see, the wallet let us know how much do we have of the current amount of money we have scanned so far.
Your wallet has $26.01. Restart wallet button.
Also, we have this button that allows us to restart the wallet in case we want to start over.
Your wallet has $0.
In this video, I have switched the language to French. Also, I'm displaying a 10 euro bill front side horizontal position. This is because we also include currencies from other countries in our model. However, in order to keep the wallet simple, we are only reading and adding into the wallet US dollars.
Ceci est 10 euros. Touchez l'écran pour identifier la pièce ou le billet sur l'appareil photo.
For those objects different than bills or bills that are not in our model, we are sending a not object found message.
Loading. Aucun objet n'a été trouvé. Touchez l'écran pour identifier la pièce ou le billet sur l'appareil photo.
Validation. We did some accessibility testing. We used the Accessibility Scanner app to validate the mobile accessibility in our app. So we did the happy path when the user opens the application and it shows the home screen. And then when the app recognizes the currency, in this case, $1 USD. The Accessibility Scanner app evaluated and validated each screen in the app's flows. We didn't have any suggestions from the Accessibility Scanner app. That means that we implemented accessibility as expected. We have two images in this slide. So the first image is the first screen in the app's flow, and it shows a currency icon highlighted by the talkback. The second image, it's a screen when the app uses the camera to recognize a currency. It focuses on $1 and shows the message, "This is a $1 USD that is read by the talkback."
This is Oscar speaking. Other lessons learned were things such as the ML image labeling was a good fit for this project. Also, the accuracy of the recognition could depend on the number of photos taken. Moreover, more hours of training with different sources of data and many examples can minimize the error percentage. And finally, the light in the room could affect the recognition if not enough data has been provided. For references and sources, we were based on articles and papers related with paper money and BLV people. Also, we were based on BLV people experiences with smartphones. That would be the end of our presentation. Thank you so much for your time.